Hello guys, welcome back to iTechnology Reviews. We have a UHD TV from Samsung, a new TV model 2017, which will blow your mind at the color that it's offering, at the light that it has, and the resolution will make every detail count. You will sense the differences in color, in light, and as you step up and approach the TV, you will see the detail. Of course, the UHD TVs comes with additional features, with something else, and if you are a gamer, for example, if you are using a chair, a gaming chair, and you sit at a meter and a half from the TV because it has 40-inch 101 centimeters, then it will do the job. The UHD, you will see the true 4K. So this TV, it's great. I've been using for game console, for Xbox or for PlayStation. It has pure color, it has HDR, the TV. It has a smart hub, but all the UHD 4K TVs are with the smart hub now. As for the unboxing, guys, we have a manual which is pretty big, like a book. We have a nice new remote control that it's not with pointer, but it's with vocal commands. And this remote is great because it's a little bit simplified compared to the normal buttons remote control. We'll get to that. I will tell you everything there is about this remote. It's intuitive, it's very good. We have the accessory kit with 2 jacks and a lot of RCA for 8GB, I think, AV, audio video in. We have the power cable and the common interface card. So guys, this is the TV. It has a small frame. It's with the Chrome support that it comes already in the package. I didn't show you the support because we already mounted to the TV. You know, this support is specific to Samsung creating. I gotta tell you that this is a fingerprint magnet, and even if you have microfiber, it will the grease from your hands, it will remove that grease very difficult. So don't put your hands on the screen. Furthermore, guys, in the specification it has a resolution 3814 by 2116. It has UHD and upscaling, HDR, I told you, pure color, micro dimming, contrast amplification, a smart service with vocal control, smart hub, browser web, and it's very fast. It has a video player 360. And this is an interesting video player. It has a built-in Wi-Fi, a built-in screen mirroring. It has a built-in Bluetooth HID. And this is an important aspect, guys, because we made a video that will have soon 1 million views. And it's a unique idea on YouTube, how to connect your headphones with your smart TV. I didn't connect yet the headphones. We will try in this video later and use the Bluetooth HID, because in the specification the producer says it has a Bluetooth HID that will stream the sound from the TV to your headset. For example, to play a game in night when someone is sleeping in your house, to listen music to the headphones. It's a ton of stuff that you can do with that idea, and you can search in our videos that clip. If you don't have this option on your Samsung TV, and it's in the specification, the producer says that it has integrated Bluetooth HID, activate that function, because to 90% of the TVs, I don't know, and in H series, the manufacturer, sorry, I'm saying producer to manufacturer, I know this is my bad habit, I can get rid of this habit. The manufacturer creeped inside the secret menu the Bluetooth. I don't know why it's the idea not letting all the functions of the TV to the Samsung users. So we unblocked that feature. We have actually 2 videos that it's an update to that previous video, and look for that. Uncrypt your TV. The TV has built-in digital toner and the T, the C, and analog tuner. We have the component and the AV in. We have the LAN if you don't want to use the Wi-Fi integrated LAN, and you can use by cable. We have a free HDMI, and look for a video Xbox One S. We have a review and tutorial how to obtain the HDR native for the Xbox One S or X, and always use the HDMI port number 1. We have furthermore the digital optical out and the 2 USB. Now guys, let's turn on the TV and see how is the picture quality and how is the remote, and let's surf around the menu. Now guys, as soon as you push the power button, the TV instantly activates. It doesn't have that detail to the Samsung Smart TV or something. It instantly, and let me show you, I will close the TV, and it has some it's like a standby without permanently shutting down all the power. I think it uses a small power to keep it running for you to instantly close or open up the TV. So guys, this smart remote has a few buttons. First time that I saw it, I asked myself, how will I change the channels? It doesn't have numbers, but it's intuitive, and it has a microphone that you can use it. And for example, for the volume, you can use up and down for the button. Mute, press the button on the top side, volume down, volume up. That's the way to use the channels. If you want to change the channels, you can use up and down, and when you press the channel button, you will have the guide of the TV. Furthermore guys, if you want to go to menu, you have a home button here, and with these arrows or this round circle, you can navigate to the source, the settings, and the confirmation. Enter is the middle button. Next you have the voice command, which you will use it most of the time, and you have an LED that will confirm your commands. Now guys, I want to go to the channel 14. I will press the button and I will say to the remote 14, and it went to the channel 14 already. Let's switch back. Now to change the volume, I can tell the volume and a number, volume 40. At the highest levels, that's very loud. Are you sure? It asks us the TV, and change, enter. But for example, if I want volume 15, it went the TV to the volume to the 15 % of the volume. Okay, and now it's activating without me going through the menu and searching for the echo solution and set it to high. Now to switch it back or to set it to low, to standard or normal, you got to tell them the command with low, standard or high, or off. Energy saving mode off, and it's off. It's very intuitive and it works. What is great about this TV, and I like a lot, is that, for example, if I'm using Xbox and if I want to go directly to, let's say, to the source, I have a PC, a Blu-ray and the Xbox One. I don't have to go press buttons to go to the menu. Simply go and set to the remote Xbox One, and it recognizes my command and check device power. I can power it on by the remote control. Power on, and now my Xbox console is activated. I think there is a function when you set to the Xbox One, it will automatically start up the console. So for example guys, if I want to switch to the PC now, I can use the command PC. It sounds is not that accurate, but let's try again. PC. PC. This command will turn on to the HDMI input 2 automatically and will turn off automatic the Xbox One. Furthermore guys, I want to show you the YouTube now. And if you saw, it instantly loads up, and this is a great thing because with my Galaxy S8 for example, I can connect and stream directly and very rapidly. Be aware to stream the 4K from your Galaxy phones to this 4K TV, you got to have a wire. I recommend you the wire, not the Wi-Fi. If you have a good router, yes, you can stream the 4K content directly by Wi-Fi, but in Wi-Fi you will got to have 50 megabytes per second. You got to have big strong antennas to that router to be able to stream the content. It's very fast. I didn't tell you, it's a quad core TV. Now we have another tutorial and review to 124 centimeters diagonal TV, not a smart TV but a full HD, that is not that fast as this 4K TV, and we have problems with that remote control. I got to tell you guys that this remote control is very rapid and you don't have to point to the TV, to the sensor with ear. This remote control is by Bluetooth, and this remote control is great that in every direction in the room it will communicate very simple with the TV. What I'm hating is that the application YouTube doesn't have, for example, if you connect Bluetooth or a keyboard with a dongle, doesn't have that searching keyboard, that relevant searching keyboard. It's a problem with this. You got to stream, for example, with your phone. You got to stream directly by the YouTube application. Using the YouTube application, you got to send by this button. Now, for example, guys, it's the quickest way to watch a video. It's using your phone and pushing this icon and connecting to the Samsung 6 series, and now instantly it goes and shows you the clip. By the way, the Audi A7 and A8 2018 are awesome. I recommend you to watch them. With a little luck, we will make a review and a testing with the Audi AA. So subscribe that button, guys, because we'll have a lot of videos, a lot of ideas, a lot of technology. For now, let's stick to this menu, and I will show you. We got the contrast enhancer. You can enhance your contrast. Here you can use this HDR plus mode, or you can talk with the remote control and activate it. It exposes the shadows, it cuts the overexposure of the light, you know, that clipping of the light. It brings the blacks in the pictures. It improves your colors. But if you see, it has warm, and you can set even in the HDR the tones here. We don't have a lot of function in the picture because the picture is looking very good, is looking great already. If you see here we have the HDR plus mode on. Let's see, HDR plus mode, and it's deactivated now. Yes. At sound output, guys, you can select the speaker output, the optical output, or the new thing for you guys, and I know you are interested. For those of you who don't know, Samsung in previous models, a non-4K TV, the H series mostly, it blocked the Bluetooth. Even if you have in the specification BT HID, the Bluetooth HID, even if you have, it doesn't appear the speaker list. So in that review, in our tutorial how to connect the headphones with your Samsung Smart TV without a dongle, we explain how to do this, how to decode or go into the secret menu and activate this hidden function. Now in the speaker list we have connected, the headphones are connected, the Sony high-res headphones, Bluetooth headphones, and are working great. So now you can choose whatever you need, the TV speaker, any Bluetooth speaker to use it with the TV. An important aspect, you have a Wi-Fi speaker surround setup, so you can, if you are having for example a 5.1 system, you can choose if it has built-in Wi-Fi speaker. And if it's, I'm gonna tell you a tip, if it's hi-fi, the Wi-Fi is necessarily because it has a lot of potential and a lot of information sending to that system without cables. It's best to use high HDMI, but you can use even Wi-Fi speakers around. In the expert settings, you know, all the things are the same. You have the equalizer, which you can use it and boost a little bit the sound. Now the broadcasting, it's all the same. You have a dual sound here, and you can choose whatever you want the language to be heard in the TV, if your network operator permits this thing. Now here it's important aspect, guys, and I told you the Xbox One has some trick to activate the HDR. Well, this is the option, and be aware that you got to have a HDMI 2.0 cable and put the HDMI number 1. Look up for that tutorial, we have it in our videos, and see how to obtain a clean and how to activate the HDR function for Xbox One S and X. The Echo solution. The Echo solution I was talking about, you have the ambient light detection, and it will automatically adjust the picture based on your light in the room. And you have the energy saving mode, for example, if you want at night to have a high energy saving and a low light at the image. You can use the microphone in the remote control, which is nice, and you can use from this menu and set it up. The smart features, it auto runs the smart hub when you turn on the TV, and it automatically launches the last application used. For example, if you are playing the Xbox One, when you turn on the TV, it automatically turns on your Xbox. And in the support, guys, you have the self-diagnostic for seeing, for example, the signal information. Now we don't have an info button to push it for 7 seconds to see the signal information, but you can see it here. It tells us this information. We have the star picture test, and somewhere here it's the A manual to study this TV. So this is pretty much it with the menu. I hope I told you everything there is. The browser, it's very easy. It has this pointer, but it doesn't have the remote control, that one with pointer to make gestures in the air. You have to use these buttons on the remote. And I got to tell you guys that this browser, compared to previous models of Full HD smart TVs, is working great and very rapid. And let's text something using the microphone. I don't know, please tell me the weather. Okay, it's intuitive, it understands me. In the city, New York. Okay, and now I can press done, and it's working almost instant. So I like very much this browser. It's different from the other TVs. I'm repeating myself. For this 4K TV, let's exit. If you are using it from 1.5 meters, maximum 2 meters, you will notice the difference in the contrast, in the detail, in the resolution, the 4K resolution eventually. And let's say in microphone USB, I want to play you a new, not on USB. Okay, it sees it, my USB, and I have some waterfall from Samsung, I think. this relaxation with very impressive detail. This is not HDR plus mode, but if you can see it, guys, the colors, the detail, it's quite amazing. This TV, it's good to view it from one angle. It's not IPS, you can't view it from all the angles, but I'm looking from the left side of the TV and it's almost good, but the best picture quality is to view it exactly from the middle of it. I'm referring sitting down in the middle of TV, and the colors are and the details are awesome. The details of the leaves of the trees are awesome. The details of the water, the details of the nature, and in this clip, it's very awesome. This is a 4K. Guys, if we want to stream, we can dongle the screen. We have two options. I think this dongle is the screen mirroring. I'm having some difficulties to connect to the TV. A minute ago it told me a message connecting here in the upper side of the screen. Now it's not connecting. I don't know what's the problem. We can connect to the second option by Samsung 6 series, and it started to share my screen, I think, through Wi-Fi. I will have difficulties playing 4K videos because the Wi-Fi, my Wi-Fi supports only 20 megabytes per second, and the clips are 100 megabytes per second of 4K videos. So this is instant. If you see, it's instant, but I don't know why it doesn't work, that dongle option. So guys, I hope you like this TV. I hope you can make an opinion about buying or not. In my opinion, it's worth buying a more bigger screen TV with a diagonal of 150 centimeters, but this one in 40 centimeters for Xbox, for standing close to this TV, it's very good. It's not good to watch TV under 1 meter, but can compensate the distance. It's extremely good to watch 4K content or 4K content with HDR. It's a great TV, a fast quad-core TV. Hope you like this review, guys. Subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tutorials. We are iTechnology Reviews. You got to love technology because technology is part of our lives. See you guys. Bye.